Oh my goodness, we made it. Get to cover.
Yeah, reload.
I've got you covered. I've got you covered. Watch my back. They're gonna come around behind us, dude. Watch my back. Yep. Watch my back. Alright.
He's hit.
He's hit? Okay. We had like 5 guys running up.
Hell.
Come get me, guys!
I'm up here, you morons! Come and get me!
Woohoo! Woohoo! Whoa! Oh, hit! Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. That was hilarious. I had like 6 guys on me.
I was running the gun in that mode.
That was awesome. Ah!
I'm in.
Guys.
Yeah, man. I'm in.
Guys, they're still up there. They're still on that hill.
Hey, bro. See if you can get that thing set up. Light that hill up and auto.
Hey dude, they're in the grass, right side, under the trees. I know, I know. Guys, I think we cleared him.
Alright, we need to move up.
All right, guys. Watch out, there could be a couple more. Yep, guys, I see him. Guys, I got heads in the grass. Heads in the grass.
Well, line them up.
Watch the right. I saw heads on the right. There they go. There they are.
Oh.
Oh my word. That was the close. Get in. Did you see? Did it hit my hand?
No.
More in front, more in front.
I couldn't tell. Sam, watch over there.
I'm being really standing back here.
I'm shooting over your head, man. Watch out. Stay low.
Where are they, Will?
Still on the right.
Keep riding that shit out.
Hey, you guys go that way.
Okay.
You guys try to skirt that way. Get around the left. Get in those compounds. Get in those little buildings. Go.
Up the hill.
Up the hill.
Right here.
guys, we gotta move. We can't stay here.
Oh, place wants to go.
Guys, move up, move up, move up, move up, move up.
If we're in those buildings, we can't really move effectively.
All right, I'm moving.
See what you can do.
Ah, hit, dude. I'm hit. Ah. I'm hit. Oh. Sam, keep an eye on that.
You good?
I'm okay. I'm all right. Gotta go respawn. That hurt. Oh. All right, guys. Hey, good job, dude.
Cleared them off. That's the important.
That was good. That was good. Yeah, just bring it here.
Hey, did anybody lose a nade?
Anybody over here lose a grenade? We got a good nade here.
That was a really good spot.
Yeah, it was just a bad spot at the same time. I got shot right where my mask was exposing my face.
You should stay low.
I did stay low, but there's a guy right behind one of those little buildings.
Oh, that was a good push.
That was a good push. We cleared them all.
Broke them off and then pushed up. Took some further up.
It's intimidating when you got a LMG moving towards you and grass getting cut around your head. It suppresses them.
Go full on.
Oh yeah. Well, this thing doesn't have select fire, so we've only got full auto.
Watch that set it up.
Oh yeah.
Keep shooting. That's what it's for.
That's what it's for.